Right, just before we go to Kandal, that's why the massage lady couldn't understand what she thought I said Canada. Kandal. But just got to see if we can find some snacks in the market and change some money. So come with us and we'll take you through for a walk in this very local market in Phnom Penh. One of my favourite spots to get, I don't know what I'd get, but more so to get an eyeful of all the delights that this city has to offer. So check this out. All the raw meats over on this side here. And if you're wondering about hey?
And the me sweating.
Yeah.
All the food and then me sweating.
Yeah, that's it. Raw meat. I think we saw some chooks down here before. Look at that, live chooks. Get your fresh chooks, mon. Drive through at your peril. This is convenience, just drive up to the stall you want. Shitload of eggs.
I have to say.
What chicken lays the pink eggs?
Huh?
Look. Hang on. Jesus.
What?
Pink eggs.
Oh, I don't know.
Pink chickens?
No, they make it pink. They paint it. Maybe the salted one, I don't know.
Ah. What were you saying?
I've noticed it's a lot cleaner than last time we came.
It is actually. There's no exotic juice, well, apart from this here, but this is vegetable juice. That's fine. This Sheila's got the right idea with an umbrella. There's more meat. Do you want to go down there? Is there a shortcut?
So you want to go to the...
Oh yeah, we need to exchange money.
Oh. Confuse me.
There's your shellfish.
Not this.
No. Some pork drying in the sun. Shoes. Fish. All the sights and sounds. And people just drive up. I love it. Yeah, there's some DAX, clothes, some motorbikes. The market's pretty small, but there's a fair bit there. And I know we've just blasted through it because we've got to get some money changed because we're heading out to Kandal and Max is with our mate Chana Ui back at the hotel.
He's there.
Hey?
Just in case Bongti's there, we don't want him to wait.
Yeah, and we don't want him to wait.
So he has a wedding to organise.
That's right.
How much do you want to change?
A couple hundred.
Get me.
Let me just pause here. All right, we're getting 300 bucks changed. The rate at the moment is 69 cents, which is shit because at home, what was it? Like 70?
74 something?
Yeah. So we've got no SIM cards yet because the bride-to-be hasn't, let's just say she's got some better things to do than just give us some SIM cards. But yeah, these small hole-in-the-walls seem to be better than other places. Sweat balls, yeah. All right, so that 300 Aussie turned into 207 US dollars.
Yeah.
So 70 cents sounds like, oh yeah, but when you take 100 bucks off,
yeah.
Geez, that hurts. Yeah, so those smaller places are better to go to, away from, like, obviously here's not really a tourist area, is it?
What are you trying to say?
Like, go to a smaller place away from the touristy spots.
You go to a smaller place, you get less.
You get less?
That was my point.
Oh, really?
Remember, she was 66 near the hotel.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Let's rewind that. So if you go to a smaller place, you're probably going to get a shitter exchange. So bigger the place and the further away it is from the tourist spots, you're better off. And a couple of money changing tips. Check the notes, make sure there's no rips and shit in them. They can't stand ripped notes here. It's a real pain in the ass. Because if you're carrying them in a wallet with zips or anything like that, it's very easy to tear the US money, isn't it?
You lost value.
Hey?
You lost value or you can't spend it all.
There's nothing like walking around with a $20 note with a tiny rip in it that you can't get rid of. It's a real pain in the ass.
The big notes.
Hey?
Always break the big notes, like 100. They often try to give you like $100 or $50.
Yep. Where are you going?
Back to the hotel.
Oh, why are you going this way?
Huh?
You sort of... Let's go that way then.
Wasn't.
All right. You decide.
Just keep walking.
Okay, I'll keep walking. Yeah, never take like $200 bills.
Or even $50. It's
50s.
just harder to break.
I mean, you want to go buy a can of drink for 65 cents
Or
and you got 20 bucks, it's like, come on.
or get on a tuk-tuk for $2.
Yeah, it's a bit shit. And also, you know, it's a lot easier to tip and things like that when
Yeah.
you've got the smaller money. Any other?
Especially like us, we go into the village.
Yeah. Who's going to break a 50 to buy 6 beers for $3?
Yeah.
Any other money tips?
Other managing.
Yeah.
Have some Riel with you. Have some local currency.
Don't be afraid to use it and pay with it as well, I think.
Yeah.
Like-
Like when you pay them US dollars, sometimes they say, oh, but they only have local money.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
There's nothing wrong with it. Everyone sort of talks in real anyway.
You just have to.
You've got to do your maths.
Yes. It's a good opportunity to use your brain.
That's right. So yeah, what's it usually like 4,000 reals, $1?
Yeah.
So 4,000, 5,000, 10. Like you got the notes there, but just don't get ripped off when you buy
And if you do, life goes on.
That's it. I'm saying don't get ripped off if you buy a. What do I buy? Phnom Penh
Nampom.
waffle, and the guy stooged me. Anyway, we're back at the hotel. Quick video. We'll see you later. Hey guys, one last money changing tip for you. If you want to get a better rate, you can sometimes negotiate it if you exchange a fair bit of folding over, say like more than $500 Australian. At the moment, the going rate is 66 cents, but I got 67 because I did more than $500 in one hit because we've got to pay for the buses that took us from Phnom Penh to Siem Reap, plus some other bits and pieces. He knows what's going on. Anyway, there you go.